Hey everybody, it's Live Where We Play Guy. It's our Chris Klug team. We're getting ready to go race Leadville this morning. Our crew is headed out. Good luck to everybody. Weather looks good. And yeah, there's Mina, my support crew. There's Steph, my sister, and Allison, my support crew. Gonna be good. And we're all set to go racing. We'll see you out there. All right, we're here in Leadville, about 10 minutes before the start. I gotta go get in my corral. You can see the helicopter above for the pro race. This is gonna be exciting. Looking forward to a good day of racing. Sub 9, big buckle or bust. We'll see you at the end.
Not gonna want to miss out on Zach Marty as well. We'll give you everything to stick around.
You got it, man. Great work. You got it. Hey, 3's all count. It only takes 3 minutes. Yeah, live where you play, man.